Topaz is a rare silicate mineral. Its chemical name is fluorosilicate of aluminum with hydroxyl. The name topaz comes from the Red Sea island Topazios, known today as Zabargad. Although the island never produced topaz, instead, the island was famous for peridots. In the ancient language of Sanskrit, the word topaz or topaz means fire, referring to the color of reddish-orange topaz. Topaz can be found in different colors: brown, green, orange, pink, red, yellow, and colorless. The term Imperial Topaz is used to describe the most valuable color of topaz, a reddish-orange to orange-red color, while the term Precious Topaz is describing the yellow to orange color. The most familiar color for topaz for jewelry consumers is blue. Blue topaz can be found in nature. However, most blue topaz are produced by irradiation and heating treatments. Different shades of blue are described with the trade names Sky Blue, Swiss Blue, and London Blue. Topaz comes from different parts of the world: Brazil, Pakistan, Namibia, Nigeria, Madagascar, Mexico, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and the USA. It is 8 on the Mohs scale of hardness. Precious topaz is a birthstone for the month of November, while blue topaz is a birthstone for the month of December. Precious topaz is the gem for the 23rd wedding anniversary, while blue topaz is the gem for the 4th wedding anniversary. It is believed that topaz brings joy, generosity, abundance, and good health. The best way to clean your topaz is with warm, soapy water.